Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through how to free up space in Google Drive. If your storage is running low, these steps will help you clear out files and regain valuable space. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and log into your account. On the left-hand side, look at the bottom where your storage usage is displayed. Click on Storage to see a detailed list of files taking up the most of your space. Next, sort your files by size to quickly identify the largest ones, while click on any unnecessary file and choose Remove. Once deleted, remember to go to the Trash folder on the left sidebar and click Empty Trash to permanently clean them from your storage. Another tip is to delete large items from Google Photos or Gmail since they also count towards your Drive storage. Attachments, old emails, and unused photos can take more space than you realize. If you need to keep files but want to save space, download them to your computer or an external drive before deleting them from Google Drive. Finally, if you consistently run out of space, consider upgrading your storage plan through Google One, which offers affordable options for extra capacity. By regularly reviewing and managing your storage, you'll keep your Google Drive organized and prevent running into space limits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.